Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for joining me today. So we're just going to do a little bit of a swatch party. You'll be able to hear in my voice it's very kind of like congested and nasally. I think I've got a throat infection, so I might not talk too much in this video. I might just concentrate on doing the swatches. I've done the swatches on this palette before, but the video didn't turn out well, so we're just going to do it again. So I've got it for this channel. I'm just going to take my watch off, which for some reason it's always a struggle with this watch, getting it off. Right, okay. So it's the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadow in the shade Peach. I wanted the money one, but they didn't have that in the store. I think it's been discontinued. They've brought out Cadet, which is full of greens as well, and my impression is that because they've brought out the Cadet, they've discontinued the money one, which is a shame because the money one, in my opinion, is far better. So this is what Peach looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. Like I said, I've already done the swatches, but I didn't like how the video turned out. So that shade there is Peach Me. So let's put that there. So that's that one. I'm just going to turn it down a little bit, the light, so you can see it a little bit better. I mean, look at it. It's like peach to gold reflect. It's so pretty. Now everyone complains about these palettes saying they're really powdery. I didn't notice any of that when I did my swatches first time around. Absolutely adore that shade. It's like a mustard. Well, it is a mustard. And I don't have anything like that in my collection, so it's absolutely stunning. What I'll do is I'll just do the swatches, and then at the end I'll turn the light down so you can see it a little bit better. Then this one here, oh, that shade there, sorry, is called Butter Rum. And then this shade here is just a traditional bronze, which you could get in any palette. And that one is... no, that one isn't called Butter Rum, sorry. That one is called Churro. And then this one is called High Pumpkin. Right, let's get a white. Oh. Yeah, so I don't really know what's wrong with me. I just, on my last shift at work, I just felt really awful, so I'm glad to have the 2 days off. The next shade is, these ones are all mattes, so shimmers, mattes. So the next shade is called Bellini Baby. They're just super smooth, these mattes. So that one's Bellini Baby. The next one is called, I'm telling you the wrong shade again. That's called, right, so let's go through the shades again because I'm telling you the wrong shades. Right, so on the top, okay, Bellini Baby, Churro, High Pumpkin. On the bottom, Peach Me. The next one is Butter Rum. And then the one after that is Shoot Your Shot. We got there in the end, guys. Right, so that's all 6 swatches. It's not going to be a long video, and that's what they look like. Now let me just dim this light so you can see what the shimmers look like a little bit more. It's just absolutely a beautiful palette. Now obviously I haven't used it, I've just swatched it, so I can't speak for what it looks like on the eyes, but hand swatches I'm very impressed by. I feel like it's going to be a really nice autumnal palette. So yeah, let me know if you've tried any of these palettes by Fenty Beauty, any of the Snap Shadows. I would really love to know what your thoughts are on them. And this concludes the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching today. I really do appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.